He's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got.
Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. Didn't know how, but I always had a feeling. I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Mama said, fulfill the prophecy, be something great. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the days we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history. Light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. Didn't know how, but I always had a feeling. I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes.
You already know what's going on, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing with us, bro.
I mean, I get nervous at first, but now that it's over, I had really fun. It's a good bonding experience, and it's just super exciting. I love being here.
We work really well. We're just like, I don't know, we just somehow fit like puzzle pieces.
Yeah, you guys are about to walk in. How are y'all feeling? Jittery, excited? What's all going on right now?
We've been working hard. I have not been sweating like a sinner in church for no reason.
Had to have